Hello everyone and welcome to Philly Crypto Trading Plus. Are you confused by all this price volatility? Are you wondering what prices will be next? Well, look no further. You're definitely in the right place. I'm here to solve these problems for you by providing clear, concise, and competent technical analysis. In today's lesson, we will be analyzing Ripple, XRP. That's right. Specifically, we're going to cover the Fibonacci extensions on a couple different time frames, the simple moving averages, MACD, RSI, and the descending wedge, which I thought was really nice. And you'll definitely want to stick around to the end because we're going to talk about the target of where that's going to be leading us. So definitely stick around to the end for that. And I'll touch upon the trade room as well. And I want to also talk about a nice little bottoming formation and where that could lead us as well. Okay, so with that in mind, guys, before we get into the video, please be sure to smash the like button because it lets YouTube know that you're enjoying the content, and it certainly makes a huge difference to me. Also, I'm always trying to improve my videos and give you the best content I can, so please let me know what you like in the comments below. Please, I always love that stuff about my content, and I'll be sure to do more of it. Now, let's get into today's lesson. First of all, daily time frame. First of all, let's take notice to the MACD. Nice flattening. You see right here. See this? The bars here turning up. So what we're looking for next is either we're going to come up to the zero line and come back down, or we're going to cross through, which this is a good sign. And we're going to go into more clues about that in a minute. But just take that one into account for a second. And then RSI 57.7, talk about the importance of 50. We're up there above 50. There we go. You see we got stronger, and that's what we're talking about. So that's all we want to focus on for that. Okay. Now, in the 4-hour time frame, very nice, we have what's called a descending wedge. And guys, if you've been with me for a while, you go back and look at my videos, and I talk about this more than a few times. This is more of a consolidation period with which to go higher. I've shown this time and time again. Doesn't matter what coin you're talking about. Those who have been with me know what I'm talking about. So we'll get back to the targets in a second because we're going to save that right now. Notice the back. This again, guys. It's a 4-hour time frame. Starting to flatten here, right? Nice and MACD. Same thing with RSI, right? Now, this is the Fibonacci extensions, right? So with our trend-based extensions, notice how we by the way, if people are new to the channel and haven't seen this before, we called this a while back when it was like 50 cents, 55, whatever. So point is, now we had the pullback, right? Now we have a nice move. So we're looking, according to this, for the next $1.46 target, right? But we also want to pay attention to the simple moving averages. Again, guys, it's daily time frame. So the 20 looking strong. See how we're just sitting there? You think that, guys, you think that we stopped here, spiked up here right to the 20, and just sat right there hugging it? Not an accident, not a coincidence. But notice that we held over to 50, right? Which is awesome. So also notice the MACD here. Look at that. Getting ready to go positive. Just like these are moving up. So sometimes with consolidation, which this clearly is, we need time for these averages to catch up, right? So just give you an idea. Now, this is the 4-hour time frame. Back to the fib extensions, right? Next targets, probably looking at, you can clearly see this consolidation, which is wonderful. We're looking at, realistically, probably up here, 0.5, 157, 0.618, 164. These are going to be our next targets as long as this $1.29 holds. I say this because a lot of people understand, and I say this all the time. I certainly say it in my trade room, which you should be a part of, but we always talk about the importance and the reference of Bitcoin that controls almost all the coins. So if Bitcoin was to sell out further, which is certainly possible, but would be short term, that means that this could come back to this area, right? But if Bitcoin does not sell out, it's not going to happen, right? But either way, we just want to know 50-day moving average is around 124, 125, right? And the 200 is around 114. So little catch up. We're doing good. We bounced off the 100 right here, right? But the 20's caught up. And then now the 50 is going to catch up. So, guys, this consolidation right here is a great thing. This is what we're looking to do. Okay? So, the descending wedge. Let's go back to that for a second because I want to point this out to you guys. Now, told you guys stick around to the end. I want to show you this right now. Hang on one second. Let's do this. Hang on, guys. Bear with me. Get rid of that. Okay. All right. All right. Now, guys, if this plays out, which is usually a bullish pattern, right? I've said this before in more than a few videos, guys. If you haven't watched it, you need to go back and watch it. Okay. So here, this right here, upon this breakout, that was a trade. That's what the trader is looking to do. He's in that trade right there. 3 to 7% tolerance. We're rocking out. We're having a great time. We're making money. So now that we broke it out, you see this consolidation here, which is very important and wonderful. We came back just a bit to $1.29, $1.30, and we're just hugging tight, which is awesome. So that means that our target is going to be around this $2 area again, guys. Okay, so this is what we're looking for in the near future. And by the way, I wanted to point one more thing out. I almost forgot, guys. This is important. On the 4-hour time frame, look at this, guys. This is W bottom. Boom, 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 and up, right? So our neckline is around $1.34, $1.35. So you can never be surprised when they come back. Obviously, we came back a bit lower, but that's not the point. Point is, we held that base of that neckline. If anybody can't see that, which to go higher. So guys, we're looking for higher prices. We've already been to $2. This pullback was a gift if someone was not paying attention. Again, guys, I'm here to help you. Last thing I want to tell you guys, we have a trade room and it's only $20 a month. Now, a lot of people, we always appreciate your support, but with your support in the Patreon trade room, we're actually going to make you money in addition to you just supporting us, which we always appreciate. So there are many more coins. There are 100 per month coming out. There's many more coins than we have time to do these videos with right now. I have my wonderful administrator, Dan, who helps me with that task, just as capable as I am, in the trade room, $20 a month. Guys, it's a bargain and a half. I mean, guys, I see people all day long supporting people who are not even providing financial content, and they support them anyway. And here we're providing financial content, meaning that it should be a no-brainer. But that's just me. I'm just trying to tell you guys. Again, this is not for me. This is for you. I enter multiple trades per week. But again, this is not about me. It's about you. We're trying to help you guys. With me and Dan, we probably got over 70 years of experience. Don't be afraid to get in there. We always have the Patreon link is always in our video descriptions. And don't miss out. Okay? Now, I want to turn this part of the video over to you guys. Tell me what was most important to you today. What was the most valuable that you learned, that you saw, that you, whatever the case may be. I always love the feedback. Let me know in the comments below. I always appreciate that, okay? Now, make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. Also, the more subscribers that we get, the better and more content we can continue making. So please like, share, and subscribe. Now, if you want to learn more, watch this next video.